Hey everyone, this is the Varanjan. Welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to level up your LinkedIn game but struggle to come up with fresh content ideas or just you don't have enough time, this video is for you. Today I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT, that amazing AI tool, to create killer LinkedIn content that gets noticed. Whether it's a post, article, or even comment, you are going to get the tips how to do all this thing with ChatGPT. So before proceeding further, I request you all to subscribe my channel because I used to come up with such important video on my channel. So let's dive into this is my LinkedIn post. You can follow me on LinkedIn. So the basic format is just go to the chatgpt.com. It's an OpenAI tool where you just need to sign up, and after getting into, you just need to write a simple prompt. Suppose I'm taking one example: generate a 150 word LinkedIn post for a small business owner sharing advice on customer retention with conversational tone and call to action. So this is the thing that you can start with. You can just go with your personalized input into the this chat gpt tool as a prompt. But this is the basic part. You may get a good LinkedIn post from here, but the thing which I want to discuss is you need to go with some extra effort to make your content more visible over the LinkedIn. For this, you need to install one extension. This extension is called as AIPRM. So you need to go with Google search and write AIPRM Chrome extension. You will get the link on the first position. Just click on that, and you need to install AIPRM to your Chrome. As you can see, it is coming removed from Chrome because it is already been added to my LinkedIn, to my Chrome browser. You just need to, when you are using it the first time, you need to click on add to Chrome. After making this extension on your Chrome browser, you need to go with ChatGPT again and just make a refresh or just click on a new chat. After getting into that, you are going to get this kind of prompt suggestion. You can see around 5,000 plus prompt available here. All are related to the content creation, research part, and many more functional activities. Here you need to search for your LinkedIn part. There is a search box wherein the AIPRM ChatGPT prompt extension. You just need to search your LinkedIn. So before getting into that, you need to just go with the adding a Chrome extension, that is AIPRM, and after that you just need to go with the search segment and click on the LinkedIn. After getting this search, you are going to get around 98 prompts available that are all related to LinkedIn for different purpose. Some prompts are there for LinkedIn post creation, some prompts are there for LinkedIn engagement, some prompts are there for bio framework, some prompt are there for creating content for LinkedIn post, ultra engaging LinkedIn post, comment on the LinkedIn post. There are more than 90 plus prompts available dedicated to the LinkedIn. So you just need to explore all this thing. And why it is useful, because these all prompts are developed by prompt engineers. So they have gone with some good level of prompt engineering, and they have included all the necessary part of prompting in their prompts. So you can go with this prompt. They are very very useful. So let's suppose I'm going to uh, choose one. Suppose I'm going to choose this right ultra engaging LinkedIn post. So you just need to click here, and after getting into that, you will get an option that what is the subject of your post. Means right now, after implementing AIPRM Chrome extension, you just need not to go with the long prompting part. You need not to write the long prompt so that you can get the best output, because the prompting thing is already done with the AIPRM extension. So here you just need to define that what is your subject of the post. So let's suppose I want to make content on how to use AI for content creation. This is my, and I want, LinkedIn post on this topic. This is my subject line. After writing the subject line, you just need to click the enter part, and that prompt started working. you know it will include everything. It will include a very good, title. It will include emojis. It will include content part. It will include a proper call to action, everything. So the thing is, you need not to go with some, detailed level of prompting and all. You just need to define the subject line, define the topic of your posting, and boom, you are going to get this content. So this is the, actual use of chat gpt when you are utilizing LinkedIn for your, post creation, for your commenting, for your article commission. Just go with the IPRM, search LinkedIn, and click on the prompt that you are looking for, and just provide the topic or subject line. You will get the desired result, and the result is super super engaging, and very good. So you just go with this process. I hope you are going to get this in your day to day activity after watching this video. And after getting your prompt, just click on the copy and go with the LinkedIn and start doing posting. So I wish all the best for your upcoming LinkedIn post, and I hope this video provide a value addition to your, knowledge. Just give a like, and if you have any comment regarding this, content scenario, then you can reach me out through my website avaranjan.com. Thank you for watching this video.